Has anything like this happened to you? You're just reaching down to pick up a drop pin, and bam, your lower back violently locks up. You drop straight to your knees, gasping for air, totally paralyzed in agony. Your very first thought, that's it. I just blew out a disc. My spine is shot. Despite the pain, you go immediately to your doctor expecting the worst, only to hear something completely shocking. It's not a spine problem. The real culprit behind that blinding back spasm was a muscle buried deep in your glutes called the piriformis, squeezing your sciatic nerve like a vice grip. You're not alone. This happens far more often than you think. Long office hours, daily commutes, and spending most of your day sitting can cause your glutes to effectively forget what they're supposed to do. It's simple. If you don't use something, it often stops working properly. When your glutes stop working, they stop supporting your pelvis, causing your pelvic base to tilt out of its neutral position. Think of your pelvis as the foundation of your spine. When that foundation shifts, it throws off your natural posture, forcing the muscles in your lower back to compensate and work overtime just to keep you upright. That constant strain causes those lower back muscles to seize up in self-defense, triggering agonizing spasms and compressing nearby nerves, all originating from dormant glutes. Take a guy like Mark, for example. He's an accountant who sits at his desk all day and was convinced he was heading straight for spinal surgery after his back violently seized up. Terrified, he went to the physical therapist, but the therapist didn't even touch his spine. He pressed one elbow deep into the center of Mark's glute, and Mark almost hit the ceiling. It wasn't a spinal disc issue at all. Mark's hours of sitting had locked his piriformis muscle into a permanent knot, crushing his sciatic nerve and pulling his natural alignment out of order. Once the therapist released that muscle and untrapped the sciatic nerve, Mark's crippling back pain vanished. Story after story shows us the same thing. We have to take care of your glutes. The trouble is our modern sedentary lifestyle. But let's be real. Booking a professional therapist 3 times a week is expensive and time-consuming. That is where modern massage chair technology completely changes the game. Today's advanced chairs don't just stop at your lower back. They use specialized SL track technology that wraps all the way under the seat, using precision rollers and air compression to knee deep into your glutes, relaxing the piriformis and releasing that built-up tension, while you just melt into the cushion. If you're tired of living in fear of that next back spasm, or with tight hips, or sciatic ache, stop treating the symptoms and start fixing the root cause. I'd love for you to experience this for yourself. Come visit our showroom to test out our chairs in person, or give us a call and set up a personal consultation. If you need more convincing, check out our hundreds of reviews on our website showing how massage chairs do change lives. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care of yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.